this is Mr. Huff. Let's go through a practice calculation identifying the building sewer slope or the sewer lateral slope. This is the equation you would use. The inverse elevation at the building minus the crown elevation. So we have building, crown elevation plus 1/2 of the outer diameter of the sewer main. And I talked about this in another video, how that gives you the center point of this main line here. Divide all that by the distance from the building, from this outer edge to there, and multiply that times 100 to get a percentage. So here's our practice problem. We have an invert elevation at the house of 516 feet. We have a crown elevation of the sanitary sewer at 512 feet. The outer diameter of the pipe is 15 inches. The distance, which is from the building to the main, is 120 feet. What is the sewer slope in percents? So that's kind of our rough outline of what we need to collect. I'm probably going to ask you to use the guess strategy, so you'll record everything like this. And then we're going to put in the calculation. So I have a couple of parentheses opened here. If you look at the first one, no, it doesn't show you. The first one is to isolate this whole calculation from the 100. Then the next one is to have everything above the divide by sign captured. So our first thing we're going to do is the invert elevation at the house minus the crown elevation. See, it's a lower number. It's not going to go uphill. Plus 1/2, which is 0.5, times the outer diameter. And to convert outer diameter from inches to feet, we have to multiply that times 1 foot divided by 12 inches. And then we close those parentheses up there to make sure it follows the order of operations. Divide that by 120 feet times the 100%. And if you plug all this into your calculator at once, you're going to get the answer. If you're not comfortable with that, calculate this first, convert that to feet, and half of the outer diameter convert it to feet, and then make it a simple this minus this plus this, then get that number and then divide by the distance and then get that number and multiply it by 100. You don't have to plug all this in at once if you're not comfortable with your calculator. All right, so here we go. We get 3.85416666667. So really all you have to put down for me is I like 4 important numbers. So just stop right there. And this is a percentage. So that's telling us our slope. It's the change in elevation divided by the run, which is the distance from the house to the sanitary sewer. So that is that. Hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.